Many students feel difficulty while solving these type of problems. Let's break it into pieces. It says fx is equal to 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. That is our function. Now line L intersects the function at this point 3 comma 10. So we have a point lying on that curve and is perpendicular to the tangent line of the curve at point P. So let's say this is our curve. Okay, and we have selected a point, say this one is 3 comma 10. Now, according to this information, the required line L passes through this 3 comma 10. That's fine, but it is perpendicular to the tangent. So first, let's draw the tangent line. This is the tangent line. Now our required line L line is perpendicular to the tangent itself. Means this line is our required line L. Now I have to find the equation of this L line. For finding the equation of any line, we need two things, right? We need the gradient of that line as well as one point lying on that line. Point is already known to us. This is our point, but we need the slope. So we need actually the slope of a line which is perpendicular to the tangent line. Do you know what is that line which is perpendicular to the tangent? Yes, those lines which are perpendicular to the tangent are called normal line actually. Okay, so in order to find the slope of normal line, okay, I can, since these two are perpendicular, so we know if two lines are perpendicular, one having the slope m1, other having the gradient slope m2, then m1 times m2 becomes -1. Or if you know the slope of one, you can take the negative reciprocal of that to get the gradient of the second. So the slope of normal line will be negative reciprocal of slope of tangent line. Okay, now let's find the slope of tangent line first. So for finding the slope of tangent line, we need to find the f prime. What is fx? This 2x squared minus 5x plus 7. I have to find its derivative and plug in the coordinates of this point 3 comma 10 to that. So f prime x, let's do one by one. 2x squared, we know that derivative of a x raised to the power n is given by an times x raised to the power n minus 1. The formula is already provided to you in the formula booklet. So we got 2 as it is. The derivative of that x squared part will become 2x. Then negative 5x will give you 5 only. Then for 7 it is 0. The derivative of constant numbers are 0 only. Okay. Now f prime finally we got as 4x plus 4x minus 5. But this is the gradient of tangent line. But we need the gradient of tangent line at some point 3 comma 10. So substitute that. So f prime x when the point is 3 comma 10. So what is that? That comes out as 4 times in place of x put 3. So we will get 4 times 3 minus 5. 12 minus 5 gives 7. 7 is the gradient of tangent line. Now we need the gradient of the normal line. So what will be the gradient of normal line? That is going to be negative reciprocal, means negative 1 by 7. So this is the gradient of normal line. Now we have the gradient of normal line. We need one more thing, point, which is already known. Let's find the equation then. So what is the equation of the normal line? The equation of normal line is going to be, or equation of line L is going to be y minus y1 means y minus 10. I'm using this equation of any line passing through the point x1, y1 and slope m is given by y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Okay, so let's apply this. We have y minus 10 equals negative 1 by 7 times x minus 3. Now you can simplify it further because we have to write our answer in this y equals mx plus c form. So leave this y on one side. So we will get y equals, send this 10 to the other side, gives you negative 1 over 7 x and the constant part, that is plus 3 plus 3 by 7 plus 10. Hence the answer is what? Finally, my answer comes out as y equals negative 1 by 7 x plus 73 by 7. This is the equation of required line. Okay. Some students feel difficulty in applying the concepts to the question. Sometimes they get stuck. So I'm going to tell you how to apply those concepts in the questions. I'll make it very easy for you. So if you are in middle year program, IBDP, MAI, HL, SL, MAA, HL, SL, AP Calculus, ABBC or any engineering math course, feel free to connect with us. You can contact us using this WhatsApp number or you can call us using this. You can also scan this QR code with WhatsApp to get connected with us. You can join our courses with flexible timings and one-on-one or group sessions are available or custom exam preparation where either you can choose for the full year course or few classes for your exam preparation. So scan the code, book your free demo today.